The captain, I forget a wife now. Captain is a farmer, fisherman. Woman, this man is 60. So no husband there. See him right there, sir. See him there. The yam, the farm, see him there. Tell them what your birth date. What month you born?
March, man.
What kind of woman you like?
Well, if any woman good and have good spirit, me good, you know.
Good spirit, what you mean?
Good spirit, jovial spirit, you know. Not too loud, just natural, normal.
And you're 60.
Yeah, man.
And your farm, you have a boat, you're a fisherman.
You don't love loud people.
You know, so basically, when she retire and come Jamaica, you and him can get a boat and go sail.
Man.
So you will be her captain.
Yeah, man.
So you're a captain looking for a mermaid. Hey,
You know, easy, no,
people, where the mermaid there?
you think you easy,
This is Randy. The captain need a candy. Look on the lady. If you're retiring in Jamaica and you need a man for yourself,
man.
you see me, Captain Jack have the farm. If you no work and get the boat engine, go sail out with the captain. You are the dream man, you know, Captain. Every woman want a man where can farm, make music, and catch shark.
Man.
Woman, you can drink shark soup and straighten up your back. You know, see what Captain Jack have. Me said the man, how much acre land you say you have over the other place there? How much acre?
That's our 70.
70. How much acre you have?
About 7.5 acres.
So if you have 7.5 acres and she come down from foreign, then you know can work it together.
Man.
You know can fence it.
But me gateway too, and I'm family fit control.
Control, but you know gateway. It in your name?
No, you know, really not my name. It's like
Family.
The people and they left it give me, so me just left
But
it
you
to
still
other
can't work,
family.
Panny.
Me left it to other family.
But people, alright, woman, you're out there. You've been lonely. You're a mermaid. You want to go up on a boat. This is the man me find for Uno. No, Uno just text me. Uno looking at the description and see my number. Text me. I'm not going to interview Uno. But if Uno is gossip, if Uno head no right, me we know. And I'm going to screen Uno go to say. Uno now pass this again, you know. Because this man is the greatest man in Jamaica. He make the Jankuno drum. He plant all of this. The breadfruit tree, everything. A Captain Jack do it. And now him need a wife. Him need a mermaid. Hey, are you uno sick? Him have can't. Hey, uno woman uno can't be so lonely in a Babylon. Cause when uno come home, uno go need a man. Can't in a house every day by on yourself. Uno need food. And for him food, them some have to sell him too hard because he's the greatest man. See there? All of this, him when do. I imagine if you have your land and you go marry Captain Jack. Lord God, you just make a big fence and get some dog. And then you go sail. Him is a diver. He's a diver. He's a captain. He's a farmer. Look on the yam them. Captain Jack, tell her what kind of yam and how would you cook this for her?
That is a renter. Nice white.
How would
sweet.
you cook that for a lady?
Well, I just cook it down and then get some nice steamed fish. What's the one little mix up with it and make it nice. Just like that.
Yes. So now, if you met a lady, what's the first thing you want to know about her? Your first question to ask her.
Well, I just love her for who is he. Not for really sex, just the person himself. Because some people love people for just sex.
Yeah.
I just love you for who you are. You understand?
Would you go
What
church
is-
with her?
Finally, I'm a church man, but since I get children, I just draw away from church. I grew up in church for my kids.
So you're a
I'm a
spiritual
spiritual
man.
person.
Got it.
Yes, because my spirit in my mind and everything, that's what I do, put it into the farm. And when I take out the farm, I give it to spiritual person. Sometimes I give him more than how I sell.
Captain, you have to get
Who
a wife,
need it?
man. You have to get a wife.
Sometimes I give him more how me sell. The less money me make, I give him most of my thing instead of making. And I get a lot too. You understand? So that's the way it goes with me. I love giving. My mother, my grandmother was a district nurse. Anywhere the sick can better, she better it. And anyway, go and see that children suffering, him take that child and carry it home. And him raise that child, tell him big, turn big woman before she leave. That's the spirit of our people. So I have a touch of that spirit.
What are one of your
You
bad
understand?
traits? Something bad about you. You know, say you have to go work, man. Everybody say they ain't good, but we know there's a little bit of evil in all of us.
Well, my badness, I curse bad word, but you have to get me out to curse. But otherwise, I'm not a street man, I'm not a gambler, I'm not a rum drinker. I stay home.
So you don't drink rum?
No. I drink it like if it's purposely.
Like a social event?
Like maybe into alcohol drinks, maybe I have alcohol cola, I take alcohol
Okay.
taste, but I'm not how you see some man go drink. No.
If the woman's sick, you put lizard tail and rub him down with it? I'm just kidding.
I don't know that, but you know, I'm not a street person. I just in person, out
Yeah.
and in, work, go to work, come in.
We have to get you a wife. Ladies, look in the description and get the number.
My favorite hobby now.
Yes, you have.
I love my music. I love watch my show. That
What
is
show?
my sport.
What kind of show?
Any type of show, but I don't like certain type of show.
You gossip on the phone with brothers and sisters. You're a gossip man? Me not ask you if you're a mama man.
You
but
mean like?
you gossip about people?
You mean like in?
Just a waste time. If you viewed your wife, are you going to talk about your brother, your sister? What kind of man are you regards to
you
other
see,
people?
If it is good, but nothing that's bad, and it is good, I try to take away the bad and try to put in the good. Yeah, that's the kind of person.
Yeah.
I don't love too much in the bad spirit. Yeah, I just like be jovial and keep moving on. The bad spirit, no, me no in that. You understand?
So you people, this man is well accomplished. This is like my teacher. So no, I'm going to take my samurai teacher from me. But look at the description, woman, and deal with it.
Sorry.
You could see me a film now. See the yam there, people. Now, what kind of, is it St. Vincent?
Renter this.
Renter this.
Sweet jam.
Wow.
Renter and sweet jam together. And me mix them. You renter them with the sweet jam.
You plant them together,
Yeah.
then rub up
See
it.
sweet jam, the renter here. And the rest behind your sweet jam. Now what make me do it? The sweet jam head easy if you dead out, so you have to back it with other plant. To keep it alive. You get what I go? I have to back it with other plant. Keep it alive.
People remember Captain Jack, I forget a wife. So the description, my phone number in there, so. For the old woman, them I can look on description. My phone number, WhatsApp, 646-330-9150. For the woman, them were lonely in New York City or Connecticut or Canada and living at the cold. And you don't want to come on mobile, come help him finish up the little house. Then you don't want to go up on the boat and sail out to the sunset and the sunrise.
Look now. See this?
And you know, if you can't swim, you know, you can.
a
Oh,
sweet-
see what the man are going to do for you.
Sweet jam this.
If you come
First, yeah.
marry Captain Jack every day, look there. This is a kind of yam, you know.
A sweet jam.
A sweet yam for the lady. No fertilizer,
Yes,
lady.
alright.
So that means you are going to she are going to get whole and nice with you. Because you give her the good food. Whoa. People, no joking. No joking. This is Randy speaking. You hear me I say to you, this is not no money, this is a token of my appreciation to be in this man's presence at this great man. Let me tell you something. You see this man here, so? This man here, me tell you the greatest man, greater than Prime Minister, holy. He make the Jankuna drum, he make knife, he dive, he sail boat, he's a captain, you know. And then he used to work at the hotel them. So imagine you team up with this man and him can get a piece of land and hire some people to plant with his direction. Because when he get old, he can do all the work. And then on the farm and fence up the place bigly. And then on get some black dog. Then no money forever when you retire. Can farm. And you're the expert.
And food are the key.
And food are the key to
expensive.
life. And woman, you will never be hungry around him.
Expensive.
See it there? That is why Uno must try check for Captain Jack. Now, to interview Uno is going to be a serious process. Because me, God send at the gate to protect him from anybody coming in. Hey. So, this a kind of interview where me I go on, you know. Whoa, it a go tough. Because you see, good people, them hard to find. And me no want to scatterhead woman we can't talk. Because then you not go sleep, Captain Jack. Because you see, when the system mash them up a foreign, And then they come here, Captain Jack, where's the tea? Captain Jack, where's the milk? Captain Jack, where's the bread? Captain Jack, where are you? Where are you going? What you doing? Captain, where are you going? Captain, the boat now more. Captain, the boat a rock. Captain, me can't come. Captain, my foot a hurt me. Captain, I said, what the... Eh? Hear about them and see them and make them walk in front of you, go down a hill is a different thing, you know.
A serious thing.
Captain, my foot a hurt me. Captain, my back a hurt me. Captain, my side a hurt me. Then wait there. And just because you have a nice smile, you think that people for babysit you. You know how the babysitting, right?
Man.
So the kind of woman you're looking for, what age you say? 50? 60 like you?
Yeah, actually, my same age, actually.
What if she's 70?
Well, that little bit over. What do you think?
70? Hey, some nice woman 70, you know.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Here why them nice. They're mature.
Yeah.
You see me? And them extra lonely and them no warmonger no more. Cause they know say they're more calm. So nice calm woman out there want real love now, cause after they realize that they can't just sit on a yard by themselves. Them a look for love. You see the woman them that are 70, them not in at the drug thing.
Well, that's what I said.
You see? But the 61 them good too. But them still a little wissy, cause they think they have life in them and then them can't make too much noise. But you see the 71 them, then calm. They make your tea for you. You alright?
Yeah.
And then sit down on the chair with you and say, okay, you okay? Alright. They not bother you. Why not pick up the clothes? We don't flush the toilet. Pick up the clothes. Flush the toilet. Where your shirt there? Me can't bother with you the clean shirt, you know. But you see the one that is older captain, them now go...
I know for my spirit, you know. Me have a woman live with, you know, say like certain things me help her out with. Yeah, because see, I like washing and cooking, that come like a sport to me, you know.
Sport?
Me love washing, brother. Me love cook.
So what women
But
always...
the thing about it,
Yeah.
me no love share. Me love cook and me love wash, but
But you
me
know,
no
share
love
the food.
Me no love share.
You don't love share the
Me
food?
share, but me not too
You don't like it?
Cause why the reason me always share up myself? That's why me not like share.
You don't like share the food, but you like share though.
Share up myself.
So what is one of the greatest thing you want in a woman? What is the thing best you want in a woman?
Love and tender care. That is
Tender
life.
care.
That is like
Rub your back, rub your head,
Care.
hug you when you know ask feet.
Not even really that, but a loving woman and a tender care woman.
What does love mean?
You understand?
What love mean? What it look like?
Mean when you love somebody.
What that look like?
You
How
understand?
me no know what it mean? How
Well, you know,
on a daily
have to show it to you.
Okay, so
You can't know it when it show it to
how
you.
do you want the woman to show the love to you? How do you want her to show the love to
Well,
you?
him have him way to show him love. Everybody have them way to show them love.
Yes.
To show some boy I really love you. You understand?
Yeah.
Love the person for who him are.
Sing to you, dance, pan a pole.
Every
How?
little thing is love. You understand?
Make dinner,
You
rub your
see?
back,
You see?
say I love you. Me want to know how
love
you...
is a natural thing, brother.
Yes, sir.
That not there again, you know.
You know,
That's why it's hard to
You think
find.
say?
Hard
You
to
think say
find.
a woman out there no have it?
Me no say no, but some of them just pretend.
Okay. You
And
don't.
It's not there.
You don't want a pretender.
No, it's that some of them just pretend, and it's not there.
Okay.
You understand?
Rightfully so.
Real love is when you care for somebody.
Even if
If-
they're sick.
If that somebody had a hurt him for you, had a hurt you too.
Okay.
That is
That
love.
is what you're talking about. That's
That
what when
is
they will
love.
ask you.
Yes.
That's how I may ask you.
Yes.
What
if you
is
had a
love?
hurt him,
Feel your head
for your
out.
head a hurt you too.
If you feel good, him feel good. Synchronize.
That is love.
That is love for you.
Yes,
Okay,
brother.
sir. It's one thing. It's one.
That is it, brother.
So if you know, if you go a shop, and then, what you call Maxine gone a shop so long, right? You start worry.
That is not my really problem.
You see, what may I say to you is that,
Yes, because
you
want to do something wrong. Me understand.
I mean not say you're jealous. I'm
No,
saying
but
that,
you want to know something wrong.
yes.
And that you're thinking about.
And the minute you hear saying belly a hot him, you run go bush, go find every bush we fix
What
it.
do you, man? But you know, sir, that's the way me live, brother. That's how me live with my people. Me make them alright and everything good.
Yeah.
But them not alright with me. They're not straight with me.
Ooh,
That is the problem.
a woman going to be straight with you.
You understand?
I ask God the Almighty for a woman to come. You know, sir, Captain.
And I want to tell you something. I never lie to a woman unless I'm running joke.
Like with a run joke, maybe you know you run a little joke online. But you see, in serious, real be talking
Yes.
in life.
No lie.
I'm not lying to you. That is me. But sometimes prefer you tell them lie more, I tell them truth. Because when you tell them the truth, them is like them say a lie you tell. That me cannot understand.
Them are the sick one you
with
did find.
People.
I know woman.
You tell them
no,
the truth.
Captain, separate yourself. Watch yourself. What you're saying. Listen what I'm saying. As some of them, not all of them.
Listen me, man. That's how I'm proving experience. You're telling a woman the truth, the dying truth, and tell God up on the cross, you tell lie.
A fool one them, Captain. Are the fool
Why?
That's why you know we die now, you know, because
That's
fool.
why me can't find the one as what I'm saying to you.
But she's out there.
You understand?
I have hope. She's out there.
Because you're telling the truth, it's
She's
like
out
the
there.
truth is not true to him.
She is out there.
That's
I
what
can,
I'm saying.
I can tell you that. Even me, myself, you might think, say, me have a bag of woman. The fruit them up on the tree and me I look for which one ripe, you know.
Right,
You see me, sir?
Go.
Didn't know for the fruits them out there. Me can read some of them. But some of them look like they're ripe, but they're not ripe.
That's it.
I mean, I'm going to pick green fruit and then know say the fruit them not taste good.
Side, watch ya.
See, look on the yam and the blessing. So
Monster,
woman, with all joke aside, get on act together. This is on a captain. This is on a man and a husband one have been looking for. Remember, say last night in a woman dream, you know. Me can know said when that video I got, you know, a woman I go say, you know, say last time me dream say, a man I go come. Me never know say upon TV me I go see him. And I was watching Jamaica Good Life, the little Randy that the girl and Candy. And me see this video with this man, and when me look into his eyes and see how the man dig yam and me, the woman says, God, Jesus, see me, Randy. The good, all right, I bet you one of them are going to come and say, Randy, me don't want to talk to you. Give me Captain Jack no man, come out of the way. Them are going to come like... I never tell you something. You say when woman see good man, they want to race, pop out fence. Yes, sir. Them no, the one them where you meet, Captain. Don't generalize.
I say that too, but
don't
meet a good one yet.
Eh?
A couple when me got you, me don't see none good. Problem.
You see what?
Problem.
Well, you know, problem come and problem goes.
Well, I say go.
It's part of life. And you see when you have the moment, whether it be 16 years or 10 years or 5, count the 5 as a blessing, Captain. You see in a life, no tree no live forever, you know.
No. See what me love ya.
What?
This one me I do.
This yes, sir.
And me love out of the ocean. Me is a water spirit person.
Yes, sir.
And see what me love ya. My spirit in all of these things.
Yes.
And me hand it out to people. You know that look, brother? You know how me feel?
Well, you're blessed.
You know how me feel? When me can't say, hey, take this, my brother. You know how me feel? If you give me $1,000, it's nothing to me. Like the feelings when I say, hey. And I know you enjoy it.
Yes.
Yes, that is me. Yeah.
Well, ladies, my phone number is in the description. And this is going to be a serious, critical interview. Me I go put you through heaven. Forget to the man, yeah. Because you hear what? Me have to protect him. He's a good man, and me can't make no crab louse come in the house, come mash up the bed sheet them. You see what I say, Captain? I'm responsible for you. Because me know there's a woman out there, and this is what we're doing. So we say love, we don't say no foolishness, no gossip or no foolishness. And love we say. Look at people. Woman, no fertilizer upon this. This is the kind of man you need in this time. Knowledge. Even a doctor or lawyer. Captain Jack is more important than a lawyer and a doctor. You know why? Food is the staff of life. And without food, wifey, you know, pretty. And these are healthy foods. So reason why my sales pitch I go out there to make sure I say, woman, get your act together. When you see the man, act accordingly. Approach with respect, honor. Because no doctor no have this power. No engineer or no this kind of food. Forget food for people and sick people and give poor people food. You know, see? I know many. So watch on yourself when you talk about money. See the wealth there, see the blessing. And this man is highly favored. So please, my people, don't joke out this thing. Don't waste my time. Because I'm doing it because when the man said to me, no woman not there at the yard, I say, yes, king. Then if your back are hurt you, you need a woman at the yard. You see? So, I'm going to in this video, but when looking at the description. So which one are the sweet yam and which one are the one?
Renter, you know the sweet yam different. Look at the difference.
Oh my brother.
See the difference. Sweet
Oh
yam those.
my brother.
These look on the difference.
Oh man, yeah man. Remember say, you tell me take out a little bit of it, you know, because I want the rest, the whole light, we're going to pay for everything.
Now get everything, come one piece go eat.
take your little piece. No, sir, take your piece, brother. But this, yes, people, this is it. So, this is Jamaica Good Life. Captain Jack want a wife. So, ladies, with all due respect and seriousness, come correct. Because I know I always want people to come correct to Uno. I know here's a good man. Uno must act accordingly. I don't just come because the man have food and things. I don't come with no tricks. Because me know in the foolishness this year, and 2024, I've done this show before. I've seen conniving people around me. Uno now go trick me.